Hi, ever feel invisible to your dream clients? Even though you are putting your best work out there, you have got the expertise, you are showing up, but your ideal customers just keep scrolling. It's not because they are not interested, it's because your marketing message just not connecting with their internal struggles. Let's fix that today. Hi, I am Vivi Krishna, founder of Internet Growth Hub. I used to think my content was great, helpful tips, motivational quotes, and cool designs, but I got nothing from it. No engagements, no conversions, no DMs. Then I realized something powerful. People don't care how much you know until they feel you understand their problem better than they do. It's not about shouting louder, it's about speaking clearly. Most entrepreneurs say I help people grow online or I teach marketing. But you know what your dream clients listens? Blah 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 blah. Yeah, true. Instead, say I help coaches who are struggling. I help coaches who are posting daily but still struggling with the leads. That specific, that emotional, that connects. Step number 2, know their reality. What are they frustrated with right now? That could be confusion or inconsistent income or overwhelming with tools. Use their exact words in the content. Interview them, read their comments, be obsessed with their struggles. Step number 3, frame your offer as a path and don't position yourself as a hero. They are the hero, you are the guide. Your ecosystem is not a product, it's a bridge between their pain to their dreams. Want to learn how to craft a marketing message that stops scrolling your dream clients? I break it all down inside my free webinar. How to create powerful positioning, map your content journey, and build a system that attracts the right audience. If you are watching this video on Instagram, comment message, I'll DM you the resource. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe and share this with a digital coach who is struggling with the digital ecosystem. People don't scroll past because they are rude. People scroll past because they don't feel seen. Fix that and watch what happens.